So this is a style for my customer, the U, and I'm going to do a collar. Okay, this is the collar and this is the interface. So I'm going to iron this. I'm going to iron the Vaseline on this to this material. Alright. I use my embroidery machine to design this. I made the color and the shirt is long sleeve and the side is open, and I have this trousers. Well, I cannot video. So I'm going to cut the neck, the armhole. This is the front. It's a long dress. The Catalogue. If you want something quick, so you can draw, I can cut it simple without catalog, but because of the style, I want to see you. Be nice. Dress. So I'm going to do some flowers to cover, just to cover a little the neck, and I'm going to cut the sleeve. I made this brace that and the down. I made it round, but I'll make sure the front is a little higher than this back. Okay, I'm going to cut the sleeves. I've already draw it. I just lay it side like this, and then I draw it. So I draw it like this. So I'm going to cut it.
We are nations.
another the back. The back is not the same as the front. So it's
The Father Almighty promised Himself, you be called nation, like the stars in heaven above, like the sun in the seashore. Christians, we are
I'm pinning
nations.
and going
We are
on the machine,
nations. We are the children
So-
of God.
and
Say
then
Christians, we are
After sewing,
nations. We are nations. We
knitting,
are the children of
it's finished.
God.
Down, the down shape.
The promise is fulfilled. The promise is fulfilled. The promise is fulfilled. We are nations. 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 We are nations.
Hmm.